And now let's put out the big reaction that's coming from Melinda Gates. She's revealed that her divorce from Bill Gates was driven in part by his association with convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. Speaking in an interview, Melinda said she was deeply disturbed by Bill Gates' meetings with Epstein and made her objections clear at that time. She also said she herself met Epstein once, only to immediately regret it. Listen in.
But I did not like that he'd had meetings with Jeffrey Epstein, no.
And you made that clear to him?
I made that clear to him. I also met Jeffrey Epstein exactly one time.
Did you?
Yes, because I wanted to see who this man was. And I regretted it from the second I stepped in the door. He was abhorrent. He was evil personified. I had nightmares about it afterwards. So, you know, my heart breaks for these young women because that's how I felt. And here I'm an older woman. My God, I feel terrible for those young women. It's awful.
I do want to bring in CNN News 18's Akanksha Swaroop into the conversation. Akanksha, as is the allegations against Donald Trump of the latest Epstein files has become a big headline, and these back-to-back reactions from people who've known these big political figures, these big celebrity figures, all in all, including Melinda Gates now, only goes on to explain how grave these allegations are and how bigger this could turn out to be in days to come.
Absolutely, and more importantly, Christine, this is going to be a huge blemish to the reputation of Bill Gates, who's, as we all know, is not just a tech billionaire, but is somebody who's also running a foundation. And when his own wife, in fact, goes on to talk about how this was something that actually caused the divorce between the two of them. And it was Bill Gates' own association with Jeffrey Epstein that brought her so much of, that caused so much disturbance in their marriage. It's bound to have an impact. And as we all know, the Justice Department has released more than 3 million pages of documents with over 2,000 videos, around 18,000 images. And Gates' own sexual contact with Russian girls that he attempted to hide, even the fact that he was, actually suffering from a sexually transmitted disease. He, according to Melinda Gates, tried to hide it from Melinda Gates. Allegations have gone against Bill Clinton and even Prince Andrew. But I think the most shocking part is going to be now how this is going to taint the image of all of them, particularly Bill Gates. And as Melinda Gates has revealed that her divorce from the Microsoft co-founder was driven in part because of his own association with Jeffrey Epstein, the sex offender. And, there's much that has already been offered in this interview that we've just now played out. And she has openly admitted that she was deeply disturbed by his friendship with Jeffrey Epstein, the meetings with Epstein, and she had even made her objections clear at the time. So now everybody is now privy to the fact that what actually led to that divorce. She said she herself had met Epstein once, only to immediately regret it.
Yeah.
And that's just extremely shocking. And we'll have to see if Bill Gates has anything to offer in his defense. But it's already a very weakened case at the moment.
Apart from this, Akanksha, the fresh cache of Epstein files has also reignited a controversy around President Donald Trump. Any clarification that's come in from the Trump administration's officials? What have we heard so far? Because they point to explosive claims of rape and even a murder.
Right, and this is bound to actually escalate further, as we all know. But all I can say is that these powerful men that have actually been mentioned, including Donald Trump's name, they all say that Trump claims that the documents actually absolve him, as the top DOJ says that the review is actually over, and he's claimed that the latest release of the files from the investigation will absolve him, and because they'll now get down to actually investigating. And the Department of Justice has played down the possibility of any additional criminal charges. So we'll have to see what he has to offer to that. But one thing is amply evident, that all the correspondence that has taken place, say, between these high personalities like Donald Trump, Bill Gates, Prince Andrew, even Bill Clinton to an extent, is all indicative of the fact that they were offered girls and they were in some kind of a sexual contact. And even as much as Donald Trump, who has denied any wrongdoing and has never been accused of a crime linked with Epstein, he will have a lot of answering to do. He, remember, is mentioned in more than 3,000 times in the latest files screen. And the inclusion does not suggest any wrongdoing. That is what Donald Trump's team has had to say. But the DOJ says some documents contained untrue and sensational claims against Trump. So you could very well expect Donald Trump's team to, in fact, just call it a hoax or a pack of lies. And he's already gone on to say that I didn't see it myself, but I was told by some important people that not only does it absolve him, it's the opposite of what people were hoping, you know, the radical left. So he's also
and expect more
politicize
such clarifications, Akanksha, isn't it? Thank you for joining us with those details. More skeletons tumbling out of the closet, but these are shocking details that continue to emerge. Shifting our focus to another daylight robbery incident.